first glance, the 2027 Buick Envision looks like a comfortable and stylish luxury SUV. But what if some of its best features are the ones most people never notice? From hidden convenience technologies to comfort-focused details that make everyday driving easier, the Envision is packed with features that often fly under the radar. In this video, we're uncovering some of the most interesting hidden features of the 2027 Buick Envision that many buyers might miss during a quick test drive. Stick around until the end because a few of these could completely change the way you see this SUV. Hidden feature number 1: active noise cancellation. Most people notice that the Envision feels quiet, but they may not realize why. Buick uses active noise cancellation technology that continuously monitors unwanted sounds and counteracts them through the vehicle's audio system. The result is a remarkably peaceful cabin, especially during highway driving, making long trips far more relaxing. Hidden feature number 2: curved digital display integration. The large curved display isn't just there to look modern. It has been designed to place critical driving information closer to the driver's natural line of sight, reducing distractions and making the dashboard feel more intuitive. Many people admire the screen's appearance without realizing how much functionality it adds. Hidden feature number 3: remote vehicle functions through your smartphone. Depending on trim and package selection, owners may be able to remotely start the vehicle, lock or unlock doors, and check vehicle status directly from their smartphone. It's one of those features that becomes incredibly useful once you start using it regularly. Hidden feature number 4: automatic climate memory. The Envision is expected to remember climate control preferences and automatically restore previous settings. That means less time adjusting temperature controls and more time simply enjoying the drive. It's a small convenience that improves daily ownership. Hidden feature number 5: acoustic glass. One reason the cabin feels so refined is the use of acoustic laminated glass. Unlike standard glass, it helps reduce wind and road noise before it even enters the cabin. Most owners will appreciate the quietness without ever realizing what's helping create it. Hidden feature number 6: hands-free power liftgate. When your hands are full of groceries, luggage, or shopping bags, the available hands-free liftgate becomes incredibly useful. A simple foot motion beneath the rear bumper can open the cargo area without touching the vehicle. It's one of those luxury features that quickly becomes something you never want to live without. Hidden feature number 7: adaptive cruise control for everyday driving. Many people think adaptive cruise control is only useful on long road trips. In reality, it can also reduce stress during daily commuting by automatically adjusting speed based on surrounding traffic. For many drivers, this becomes one of the most frequently used technologies in the vehicle. Hidden feature number 8: hidden storage solutions. The Envision offers several smart storage areas throughout the cabin. From cleverly designed center console compartments to underfloor cargo storage, Buick has focused on maximizing practicality without compromising interior design. These hidden spaces are perfect for storing valuables, charging cables, or emergency items. Hidden feature number 9: seat comfort engineering. Most reviews mention that Buick seats are comfortable, but few discuss why. The seats are specifically designed to reduce fatigue during long drives through improved cushioning and support. It's a feature you won't notice in the first 5 minutes, but you'll definitely appreciate after 5 hours behind the wheel. Hidden feature number 10: advanced driver assistance integration. Many safety systems work quietly in the background without constantly reminding you they're there. Features such as lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and emergency braking are designed to provide support when needed while remaining unobtrusive during normal driving. That's exactly how great safety technology should work. Final thoughts. The 2027 Buick Envision isn't packed with gimmicks or flashy tricks. Instead, it focuses on subtle features that improve comfort, convenience, and daily usability. These hidden details may not grab headlines, but they can make a huge difference in real-world ownership. And that's exactly why the Envision continues to be one of the most underrated luxury SUVs on the road. Which hidden feature surprised you the most? And did any of these make you look at the 2027 Buick Envision differently? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content here on Next Gen Autos.